Hi there and welcome to my new channel, Unsolicited Advice. As a big girl, I am constantly bombarded by unsolicited weight loss advice. At the grocery store, at the mall, friends and family, but the worst offenders are my followers on my other YouTube channel. There is not a day that goes by that I don't get dozens of emails from people that is basically saying, hey, I watched your YouTube channel, I noticed that you're fat. Here's some unsolicited advice to not be as fat. It's a crazy thing that you can really only experience as a big girl. So I've decided to actually finally, after years of basically sticking the middle finger up to all these people giving me unsolicited advice, internally sticking up my middle finger, to finally take that advice. And this new channel is exactly what it is. Every single week I'm gonna video myself trying a whole week, unsolicited, different diets, whatever this unsolicited advice has been, trying it, weighing myself at the beginning and weighing myself at the end of the week to see if these unsolicited advice diets really work or not. And hopefully you guys can help keep me accountable. So come with me on my weight loss journey, hit that subscribe button and follow along. See you soon.